Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to start messing around with some different stain colors and see if we can make a final decision on what we want to go with. We picked up a little booklet and some stain from a big box store. There's some suggestions in here on how we can mix the already pre-canned colors to get a new color if we don't like what the already pre-canned colors are. So we're just going to do a whole lot of mixing and see if we can figure out what we want to go with.
Hopefully we do, because I know being married Aaron for so long as we have been, we paint rooms, we do it again because she hates the color. So hopefully today we can test everything out and find the right stain, because what's gonna happen is once we figure it out, the floor color is gonna be the same exact color as the faux beams going up.
Yes.
So once we figure it out, we're gonna start building faux beams and start getting this installed in the kitchen area.
Yep, so that's today's project, and let's get mixing.
All right. I think I'm going to like the early American one.
Do weathered oak.
Weathered oak?
I hate it.
You hate it? I know, I hate it too. You doing this correct?
I mean, I'm just wiping it on, like why not, right?
Okay, test before staining, what we're doing. Stain well before stir. I mean.
He doesn't usually read directions, so why would he know how to,
Stir
right?
well before and occasionally during staining, okay?
It's fine.
Don't shake the stain.
See, like, we don't need to overcomplicate things here, you know what I mean? Like, you just, like...
I shook it.
Oh, you shook it all right. I didn't get it on camera, but we can just replay some of his previous times shaking it, you know what I mean?
Wait 5 to 15 minutes and wipe away excess stain. So you're doing it wrong already. Wipe it on. Come on.
Wipe on, wipe off?
What?
What do you mean wipe it on? I am wiping it on.
Don't wipe it off.
How do I apply it then?
You apply by wiping it on. You gotta wait 5 to 15 minutes and you wipe it off.
Okay, so we'll do this side the way that you want to do this side.
You just gotta rub it in there, you know what I mean? There you go. Get it in there, girl.
Dab it. Dab it.
I am not a fan, but
I hate it. We'll see. We'll mix it. This is weathered oak. Don't like it.
But we bought these types. We're gonna mix them too, though, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So we need more. We need more wood.
I'm
Not
aware.
me, though.
I'm aware of that. Arrow's getting shot. Oh, I hate it.
We gotta mix that, I think. Right.
Hey, watch out for that stain right there. Go around it careful.
What?
Rub it in, girl. Come on, get it in there.
How that like that?
It's like painted.
How that
Try
like
wiping
that?
it. Let's see if it looks different. Wait 15 minutes before I wipe it off. It's awful. It's awful. I like it. I don't hate it.
I like it.
Can I put some on here, see what it looks like? I think we're supposed to mix it in a cup.
See, guys, this is why I gotta repaint everything.
Alright, let's mix it.
Alright. We gotta wipe it down now. Go ahead and put it on. Put it on. We gotta wipe stuff down when it's said and done now.
It's the same color as the other one.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, babe. You know, put it on.
I hate it.
Okay.
It's awful.
I can't agree with you more.
Where did that color come from?
It looks nothing like classic gray and weathered oak. I mean, I don't understand how 2 grays give you brown. Makes no sense. She hates everything, I can tell. She didn't have to say anything yet. She hates it all. This mix this in here too.
Wait, I mean, now we're gonna find a color we like and we're not gonna know what it was.
With all three of these mixed.
I mean, do you hate that?
No, no.
I don't either.
That's early American right there.
I know it is.
For it to penetrate more, you leave it on longer. It's all about penetration.
Yeah, but it doesn't last that long, so it's hard to do that.
Well, if penetration of 15 minutes is it's good enough in my book.
I've never seen 15 minutes before.
I mean,
Which one do you like?
what color do you like, Smitty? What color do you like?
That one, that one, that one, or that one?
That one.
You like that one? Okay. When we wipe it off, we'll show
Dead
you.
big old hugs.
Got what? Oh, we hit it? See, he does know how to shake it. I told y'all.
I think we messed up somewhere.
What do you mean? Mixing the colors? It'd probably be at the point where we didn't mix them in equal parts, if I had to guess. This is why you're not in charge of cooking. We're undecided on the color.
So we're gonna build the beams for now.
Awesome, I love it.
You right?
It's super cool.
Sure?
Yeah, let me hold it so you can see.
Awesome. Right? So we got the first beam done. We made it a little bit long the first time. We whopped the end off it. It goes up there, fits nice and neat. Aaron loves it.
I love it.
I like it.
It's super cool. Yeah.
So, first one's down. Got 3 left to do.
3 left to build.
Yeah.
Stain them and get them put up there. I can't wait to see
We're gonna need
how
to
it
put some,
looks.
I guess so, what's that stuff called?
Wood putty?
Wood putty in there and then probably sand it down a little bit in little creases and little gaps.
Right.
And we'll sand it down, then we'll stain it and then we'll install.
Yeah, can't wait. Okay, back to work.
Yep. so all the beams are built. We're gonna go ahead and put a little wood putty in between the cracks so it looks like one full finished piece. And we are installing stainable wood putty. So once it cures, we'll sand and stain. Wood putty's on the beams. I'm gonna wait about a half hour and I'll sand them.
We got the beams all stained, they've dried, they look great.
Yep.
They turned out exactly the way that we were hoping.
Yeah, we went for the rustic look and that's what we got. So we banged them up a little bit, so we did stain it. When we banged them up, the stain would go in there deeper and it'd be darker, so it gives that rustic look we're going for, right?
Yep.
So next step is we're gonna put blocking on the ceiling where the beams are gonna go at, and we'll put them up and we'll nail them in.
Yeah, all right, I can't wait to see how this turns out.
Me too.
So we have most of the beams up in the kitchen now. The only last one that we are missing is this one that is right here running along the top. That's gonna go side to side. But other than that, all of the beams are up and they look so awesome.
Yep.
We're very happy with it.
The kitchen beams are done. So originally, the original plan was to go online and buy faux beams. Once Aaron showed me the cost of those, there's no way I was gonna do that. I mean, they wanted $30 per foot for those beams. And that's roughly about 24 feet we got there. So that's like $720 we would have spent to get those beams in. That's too much money.
It's something that we could do ourselves.
Yes,
so why
exactly.
are we gonna spend that money when like we could obviously just do it ourselves, not wait for time shipping or spend all that extra cost. It was cheaper and faster for us to just do it ourselves.
Yeah, so I went to the lumber yard, got that right there. That lumber cost me 50 bucks. So that's a huge, huge, huge savings. And a few hours of our time, I mean, why not, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm happy.
It looks great. It looks awesome. It was a pretty simple project. And it feels really good to have this done because we've worked so hard to get to this point. So all of these little finishing touches going in just feels really good.
Feels good. Makes the kids happy too. Makes everybody's happy.
Yeah.
So
that's it. We hope you guys enjoyed this and we'll see you next time.
Thanks guys. See ya.